Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt coffee easy guide. Start by brewing a strong cup of coffee and letting it cool slightly before mixing. Whisk plain yogurt until smooth, then slowly fold in the coffee to avoid curdling. Sweeten lightly with honey or sugar if desired, and garnish with cinnamon or cocoa. Taste and adjust yogurt ratio to suit your creaminess preference for a balanced flavor. Gather simple ingredients: brewed coffee, plain yogurt, and a sweetener of your choice. Measure coffee and yogurt to keep ratios consistent and avoid thin or overly thick drinks. If you prefer a sweeter profile, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey and mix well. For texture, chill the drink before serving or add ice for a refreshing sip. Finish with a sprinkle of cinnamon or cocoa to elevate aroma and flavor pleasantly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof containers for storing yogurt, coffee, and leftovers, which makes meal prep a breeze and keeps things tidy. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by cooling the brewed coffee to a warm but not hot temperature to protect the yogurt culture. Whisk yogurt until it is perfectly smooth and free of lumps for an even texture. Slowly pour coffee into the yogurt while continuously stirring to maintain a creamy emulsion. Taste as you go, adjusting the coffee to yogurt ratio to balance tang and strength. Serve immediately chilled or warm, depending on your mood and the season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.